Hey there, if you're working on your Windows 11 computer and the taskbar keeps hiding like this, don't worry, there's a quick fix. What we need to do is hover the mouse on the taskbar. Right click on it, then go to Taskbar Settings. Next, we land in this taskbar section. We want to come down this list and keep going until you see Taskbar Behaviors. Click on it when you get there. And look, this option here says automatically hide the taskbar is ticked. Let's untick it. And there we have it. The taskbar is now back and it's routed to its correct spot. So if you want to reverse this, we naturally right click on the taskbar again, taskbar settings, we land on taskbar again, we dive down to taskbar behaviors, and we put that tick in automatically hide the taskbar. So now you know how to get into it and how to get out of it. I hope it's been useful, and please give the video a thumbs up if it has been. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.